Lala?
Hi! Magandang tanghali. Wow! After 30 minutes of walking, looking for Gumamila, and finally, we found it here in Santo Niño, Marikina. Do you know, in Venezuela, Gumamila is used to treat tumor. In Caribbean, it is used as analgesic and anti-inflammatory. In Dominican Republic, it is also used to treat hematoma. I have three. I need three more. Ito na. We are going back to Pasig City. Hi! Andito ako ulit si Ate Alma at ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang Gumamila flower sa tatlong paraan. As Gumamila tea, Gumamila oil, and Gumamila whole teas. How to make Gumamila tea. Ingredients ng ating Gumamila tea. Yung Gumamila flowers, sugar, lemon, and boiled water. Ang unang steps ay tatanggalin natin itong cream dito sa may flower. Kasi kailangan natin yung flower lang talaga. Oh, nag-iba yung color. Naging gray. So, ayan, squeeze na natin yung ating lemon. Wow! Wow! Look at the color! That's so nice color. Looks so yummy. Gumamila tea is used to treat bronchitis, cough, fever, high blood pressure, and constipation. Lasa siyang yung pomegranate. So delicious. Gumamila smells like squid. Yan, ito na ang ating olive oil na pinakuluan na may Gumamila flower. Palamigin muna natin bago natin i-apply sa ating hair. From roots to tips. Gumamila oil has vitamin C for healthier hair. Helps prevent gray hair, reduces hair loss and hair fall. Makes hair shiny and strong. So, ayan na. Ililive ko lang siya ng mga few minutes. Then, mamaya babanlawan ko na siya. O, ayan na mga friends, ha? Alam niyo ang sekreto ng aking magandang hair, di ba? Gumagamit ako nito once a week, eh. Gumamila pole teas. Crush fresh Gumamila leaves. Apply directly to the boils, swelling, and bumps. The extract can also be used to lessen headache. So ngayon mga best, alam niyo na. Instead of buying expensive medicines, hanap na lang kayo ng Gumamila dyan sa tabi-tabi and try it for yourself. Bye!
Lala?